Let's see an example of georeferencing. I want to give georeference to the image file of Gujarat. So first of all, I am opening georeference from the menu. Then I'll select image file of Gujarat. The name of image file is Gujarat underscore raster. After adding this file, we need to refer coordinates from some map which has coordinates already. So you can click on load GCP point or add point. So I am adding GCP points by clicking somewhere on the map of Gujarat, and then I am giving reference of that coordinate from this vector layer and click OK. Then you can add another point by clicking on image of Gujarat, and then you have to give reference from this map. So I am giving reference from this map. At least 2 points are required to do georeference. You can add more points also. So I have taken third point. Fourth point you can click and you can give reference of that point from the map. Fifth point. When I add these points, you can see the points are saved in the grid which is given below. After adding, you can start georeferencing. You can select transformation type and you can save the file with georeference by giving some name in output raster. Now you can click on start georeference. Start georeference and it will be done. You can close this window of georeference after it is done. So now as you can see, this Gujarat's image file is georeferenced. It means it has coordinate system now, so it can be aligned with any map, whether it is the map of world, map of India, map of Gujarat, anything, right? So Gujarat will be aligned on Gujarat appropriately on any of the maps. So this is how we can do georeferencing.